All right, guys, so now we are on the ultra wide 8K. The string's in the way. All right, we're gonna walk a little bit more. We're gonna walk by the water again, but there is one place I want to check out before we get there. What do you guys think? Do you like the extra ultra wide, or do you like the more standard? I mean, for me, I think this is much more appealing. You get so much more to look at. But I understand that that makes every little thing. Like right now, I see a couple skating over there, and they must look tiny, tiny, tiny. But what I think is going to be really good is we're filming here in vertical. If I wanted to, I can crop in. We'd still be able to see those people. So we're going to see exactly what this looks like here in a moment. By the way, it is really, really, really cold. But the thing is, for this, if you are doing vertical, if you go too low or too high, you're not going to be able to get like this kind of horizon on this. And that's a little bit problematic. Let me just get around here.
And he's like, if.
So let's see. So yeah, for example, if we wanted to record this, we'd have to keep this about right here just to be able to crop at a later point. I do like the image on this though. Taking a look at a little space here. Oh, it's recording. It's extremely like hard to see inside the space. Well, that's fun. You know what, we're going to do this here at another time. We're going to walk by the water. Ooh, that sunset is beautiful. All right, this is going to be a beautiful look here. All right, for right now, we are going to raise the tripod up and see how that looks. I literally forgot how tall this thing is. All right, I think it's actually better just on the basic tripod. That is a beautiful looking view here. Oh, I think this guy's backing up. All right, we're gonna cross here as soon as he's... Oh, he's getting the trailer. I thought he was the worst parker ever. All right, let's see what this looks like. It is beautiful. And of course, I want to see how frozen the East River is. Now, today was a lot sunnier than it was yesterday, so that actually brought the temperature up. But as you can see, that's still frozen. Yeah, I mean, the presence of the sun really does a lot more here, because previously this was like, this had been caked with much more ice. You can see that there's ice buildup there. I don't even know if you can, because this is so extremely wide, but that is pretty much all icy. And I'd say this is completely beautiful. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on a tripod because I do want to take a picture with my phone. And as long as this doesn't fall in the water, I'm happy. Look at the heat coming off that smokestack. Completely enveloping that building. That's beautiful. Alright, I know I stood still here for a little bit, but I think even the flowing water with the ice kind of like going down the river is beautiful in itself. But guys, I really hope that if you are outside, you're staying safe. I really love, oh, the shadows are in my face. I really love seeing the ice build up here. I know that means it's freezing. If I take my gloves off, my hands will be frozen solid. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I don't say check it out yourself, but at the very least, if you can watch videos like this, enjoy that. Alright guys, stay warm. And I will see you next time.